Hi everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. I did want to get on here quickly and tell you what I'm doing this weekend. I say quickly, but I don't know if it's actually going to happen quickly. Right now I have a cat on my arm who just isn't going to leave me alone, which I'm not mad about that. And he is purring. I'm not sure if you can hear him in this video, but Miles is here and he says hello. But I did want to tell you what I'm doing this weekend. This weekend, I am participating in the Stress-Free Card Making Summit. This is the 2024. And if you are new to it or if you've never heard about it before, it's going to be me along with a lot of my other crafty friends, and we're teaching classes to you all about holiday card making. And you might be wondering, well, what are you teaching? We're teaching classes that, there's so many different ones, from batch card making to alcohol inks to simple stenciling. And the kicker here is that every one of the videos has to be done with 5 or less of crafty products. So now your black inks and your ruler or your paper trimmer don't count, because we all seem to have that, or a stamping block. But yeah, so 5 or less products. And I think that's fabulous. I've seen all the sneaks of all the different cards, and it just looks like it's going to be an amazing summit. It goes from Friday the 27th through Sunday the 29th. And these are all real-time videos. Now, they were all made ahead of time, but they're all real-time. So what you're seeing is, you could craft along with each of us if you wanted to, or watch it and really take some notes. But the whole goal is for you to be able to make as many of your holiday cards that you need to, and to do it with 5 products or less. And so it's really pretty exciting. There's actually, if you get the Ultimate Card Maker bundle, there are tons of different videos and PDFs and just other tips and tricks that you can snag along with it. But I'll have the link down below if you're interested in checking out the Stress-Free Card Making Summit for 2024. I was so honored to be able to be asked to participate along with it, and I think it's going to be great.
It's Justine
and Laurel, and we are so excited to welcome you to the Stress-Free Card Making Summit,
a free 3-day event dedicated to getting your holiday cards done with 5 supplies or less.
Sometimes when you sit down in your craft space to create and you look around at all the stuff you have, you feel overwhelmed.
Or sometimes you sit down to create and you don't have the supplies.
We are here to solve those problems.
This summit is all about stress-free card making using 5 supplies or less.
And since it's getting close to the holiday season, we're going to help you finish your cards so you can check that off your crafty to-do list.
The summit will start on September 26th with a kickoff call, and presentations will run from September 27th to September 29th.
You will have 24 hours to watch all of the videos that interest you. So no matter what your time zone, this event will work for you.
You'll have the opportunity to connect with the teachers and get your questions answered, watch replays, and more.
You will also have access to our Facebook group to connect with other paper crafters and show off your creations.
Our summit's different because we're focusing on simple holiday cards using only 5 supplies or less. Seriously, just 5 supplies.
And what do we mean by that? We know you already have the basics.
Things like a paper trimmer, cardstock, glue, and probably an acrylic block. Those don't count.
Each speaker has chosen just 5 supplies from their stash to show you how to make something incredible. We bet you can choose 5 supplies from your stash too and create something amazing.
Let us show you how. Grab your free ticket now.
But wait, the Stress-Free Card Making Summit is absolutely free.
However, once you register, you'll have the opportunity to check out the Ultimate Card Making Bundle, which gives you access to all the presentations, and you can even start watching them now.
There are free courses, downloads, checklists, classes, ebooks, and tons of freebies from our speakers that they normally would charge for.
All you need to do right now is click the button below and grab your free ticket.
We can't wait to kick things off with you on September the 26th. See you then.
All right, so if this seems like something that you might be interested in, head on down to the description box down below and click on the link so that you can go sign up for it and not to miss any of the crafty fun. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you very soon. Bye, everybody.